Hello there, my name is Marella. Today we're going to look at how to do downward facing dog. So make your way onto your hands and knees. Place your hands under your shoulders, your knees under your hips, and then walk your knees back a few inches. Turn your toes under and then simply lift your knees off the floor, float your hips up and back. Press down with the heel of your hands into the floor. Parallel your index fingers. Separate your fingers as wide as you can. Grip the floor with your fingertips. If your back is roundy like this, turn your sit bones up by slightly bending your knees. Lifting even higher, invite the backs of your knees to move away and lower your heels to the floor. If your back is rounding, do keep your knees bent. Soften and melt between your shoulder blades. Look at a point beyond your hands. To exit from the pose, bend your knees slightly, lower them to the floor, and come and sit back on your heels. And that's how you do downward facing dog. Thanks for dropping in here. If you like the practice, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to me on YouTube. See you on the mat.